Barcelona, 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 Barcelona.
Aquesta estava no te'n recordes?
Barcelona, Barcelona.
뭐야 흑마다 흑마. 또네?
This is the regional police, you know. This is Barcelona regional police. They are doing parade. This regional police was created by a one man called Jordi Pujol. You know, he was the one who created all this outfit of the regional police because the autonomous state, each state here in Spain, because this video is direct from Spain, each state here in Spain they have autonomous state, you know. So it's for people like these people are now different kind of regional police they have here. This is what our leader asked for, which is Ikemba Ojukwu himself, Kembala Navy. This is what they asked for regional government. I say but these people here, if you know here, all these people are regional police that they're created by a one man, but they are doing parade today. You know, all states here in Barcelona, in Spain, they have regional, what they call regional autonomous states. You know. Very nice. So I just want to show our people, let them see a little bit, you know, what is going on here. So that is what they call. This is their regional police. They are doing parade today. And this regional police, I was here in Spain when they created it. It was created by a woman called Jordi Pujol. You know, because each state here in Spain, they have what they call autonomous state, you know. And this autonomous state is what Ojukwu asked for. I say no, he's not asking for war, you know. But here, white people in Dutch, they have it in their own. Nobody, all of them are all happy. That is why you see for here, Barcelona, each state, everywhere that all of them are all developed with what you have, resources you have. You know, I just want you people to see all that. These are both retired men and women, you know, retired officers. Like some horse here now says no more going. This one I get tired. He said no. Man of horse no. Abo he kwa ga na mmiri bi shi. I nwere ike force ya ga na mmiri but thousand. So I want our people to see this. So this is Barcelona. All these men and women, many of them are into service, many have retired. Johnny, continue. I don't want this video to be long, but I want you people to see it. everybody, onye ọbụla, you know, all maka ndị be anyị. Ndị a niile, this thing is region in Spain. All of them are living in regional life, you know, regional government. Upon that, if how develop these people, before when I come to this country, what they call international airport, they only have local airports, you know. But there are important people they have here. The people who have money in this state called Catalonia, all of them invested their money in their state here, developed their state. Now they're enjoying what the seed they sow, you know. Thank you so much. Above this receive this video. Say God bless you and remain blessed.